Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening po sa ating lahat. Welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to begin a new series. Ito po yung tinawag kong Math Challenge. And under this series, for this first video under this series, ang title ng video na ito ay Dalawang Viral Math Problems Noon, Ano ba ang solusyon? So I'm going to feature apparently two viral math problems. One is a viral math problem in Japan several years ago. So here are the two math problems. The first one is 6 divided by 2, open parenthesis, 1 plus 2, close parenthesis. Second one is 9 minus 3 divided by 1 over 3 or 1/3 plus 1. Now looking at this problem or these problems, anong topic kaya ang kailangan nyo i-recall sa math? Actually, this is a basic math concept lang naman ang kailangan i-recall. So, basically, you need to recall yung concept ng order of operations. And yung ating mga math educators noon ay gumawa. They devised several mnemonics, no? Um, sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo, merong mga mnemonics na naglabasan. At isa dito yung tinawag na PEMDAS. Nandyan din yung BODMAS. Meron ding BIDMAS. Hindi ko na lang nilagay dito, no? Meron ding BEDMAS. BED, BID. But basically, the one that I'm zooming in and I'm going to use is GEMDAS, which for me encompasses um, the other acronyms or the other mnemonics. No? So GEMDAS, GEMDAS, is an acronym that stands for grouping, exponent, multiplication or division, and addition or subtraction. So take note, yung multiplication and division meron doong slash. No, that means it's either of the two can you can start with either of the two operations as they are presented on the problem. So if the two are present, we proceed from left to right, and that is also true with addition and subtraction. Kung present ang either addition or both addition and subtraction are present in the problem, we can proceed from left to right. So yun po yung rule. So basically this rule also states that we need to simplify first expressions which are inside the grouping symbol. And next to that would be the exponent. But the exponent thing is not just with the integer exponents or the integral exponents, but it can also uh, include rational exponents, yung may exponents na in fractional form. No? Okay, let me zoom in on the first problem that I featured here. So it's 6 divided by 2, open parenthesis, 1 plus 2, close parenthesis. And this can also be mathematically read as 6 divided by 2 multiplied by the quantity of 1 plus 2. So uh, the parenthesis there also denotes multiplication. So what should be our first step? Okay. So going back to GEMDAS, we need to look for uh, the grouping, or in this case, the parenthesis. And in this problem has expressions that are contained inside the parenthesis. So we need to simplify these expressions first, no? So uh, dito meron tayong 1 plus 2 and that's very basic. Ano ba ang 1 plus 2? That should give us 3. So what's inside the parenthesis? Na 1 plus 2 ay ngayon ay na-simplify na into 3. Next we're looking for the exponent, no? We're looking for expressions that are expressed in or expressed to a certain power, to a certain exponent. So tapos na tayo dito. So ang ating problem, after simplifying the expressions inside the parenthesis, is now transformed into 6 divided by 2, open parenthesis, 3, close parenthesis. So I included a parenthesis still here, no? Uh, because this denotes multiplication. Next, dito na nga nagkakaproblema yung iba na nag-solve nito, no? Na nag-try nito mag-solve noon because ang their understanding of the rules in the order of operation is that um, they should proceed first with multiplication and then after that would be division. So, yan po yung mali, no? Doon sa GEMDAS or kahit man paman doon sa MDAS noon, no? MDAS pa lang. Yung presence ng multiplication and division sa isang mathematical sentence uh, should be operated from left to right kung nandyan yung dalawang yon, no? So, hindi pwedeng mauna si multiplication kay division kung si division ay nauna sa kanya. So, in this case, medyo magulo. But uh, let me rephrase it, ano. Pag present ang multiplication and division both in a number in a number sentence, ang dapat gawin is to simplify from left to right. Left to right. So, kung nauna ang multiplication from left to right, so yun ang unang i-simplify. O kung nauna ang division, yun ang unang i-simplify. So, in this case, since division is the first operation from left to right, we need to divide first before we multiply. So, dividing 6 by 2 or 6 divided by 2, we should get 3. And we still copy uh, the multiplication by 3, which is we use the parenthesis symbol. No? So what we have right now, after dividing 6 by 2, we get 3 and copy open parenthesis, open and close parenthesis 3. So this number sentence is being reduced to a multiplication sentence at the last phase. No? So last step, apparently is to multiply 3 by 3 to get 9. Hence, the final answer is 9. So, yung ibang nagkamali, let me go back to the previous slide. Ang ginagawa nung iba is to multiply first 2 and 3 to get 6. No? So, 2 times 3 is 6. And then, after that, they proceed to division. So, 6 divided by 6 is 1. So, ang 1 is a wrong answer, no? So, hindi po 1 ang tamang sagot. How about the second viral math problem? So, let me read again. The problem is 9 minus 3 divided by 1/3 plus 1. So, dito wala tayong expressions na nasa loob ng grouping symbol. So, what we have, wala rin tayong expression na raised to a particular exponent. So what we only have here is or are the operations subtraction, division, and addition. So since dapat mauna si division, so let us divide 3 by 1/3. So dito nga nagkakamali yung iba, no? Meron ditong mga nakakamali. So what is 3 divided by 1/3? How do you divide a whole number by a fraction? So in standard math, what we do is to multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of the divisor, which is in this case a fraction. So yung divisor na 1/3, we get the reciprocal, which is simply equal to 3 or 3 over 1. And proceeding to multiplication, so what is 3 times 3 over 1? That should give us 9 over 1 or simply 9. So yan yung ating first step, and yung ating problem is now reduced to 9 minus 9 plus 1, which is relatively a very easy problem na. Of course, let's proceed to the next step, which is to proceed from left to right. So, subtracting first because yan yung nauna. So, ano ba yung 9 minus 9? Hindi tayo mag-a-add muna. No? Meron ding ibang nagkakamali because they perform addition before they do the subtraction. So, 9 plus 1, they get 10. And then 9 minus 10 is, they would get a negative 1, no? Okay, so yan yung mali nung iba. Marami pa ng dimensions nung error dito sa problem na ito. Ang unang area ng mali nung iba is doon sa division ng whole number and fraction. Dito naman, meron pa ring iba na would prefer to operate first on the addition part, and then after that would be the subtraction. Kasi nga, yun yung nakita nila doon sa acronym na addition, or A comes before S, or addition comes before the subtraction. So in this case, we proceed from left to right kasi magkaparehas lang ng weight yung subtraction and addition. So 9 minus 9 is simply 0, and 0 plus 1, we will get 1. So 1 is the final answer in this problem. So I hope you learned something from this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and also subscribe. God bless us.